guys, it's Ginny Silver, and today I have an update for those of you in the state of California who have the reopen claim issue. The EDD has released an official statement on the reopen claim button. It took them so long to address this issue, but they haven't even sent out this information in a press release. They haven't sent this information on their website. They haven't informed claimants through UI Online. They haven't even posted this on Twitter. No, this statement comes once again from Assembly member Lorena Gonzalez, who has been very helpful to claimants in helping them with their EDD benefits. Most likely you're not following Lorena Gonzalez on Twitter. However, if you are on Twitter, she has been very helpful. So she might be someone that you may want to follow for future issues such as this. Many of you may be tired of hearing about this reopen claim button issue, but I know that so many of you are still unsure of how to handle it and what to do. So now that we do have an official statement from the EDD, I wanted to share it with you just so that you know how to proceed. First off, this video affects those of you who are seeing this button on your UI Online homepage. You see this button on your homepage prompting you to reopen your claim. Should you click it? Well, many people are saying it's there, I should click it. But you guys, I have been advocating for you guys, if you cannot get through to customer service, to reach out to your assembly members and senators. Assembly members have been the ones that have been the most helpful in terms of getting specific issues resolved with your account. Some are more helpful than others, and Lorena Gonzalez has been one of those assembly members that has been putting in the work to try to get things moving with the EDD for her constituents. Now, why hasn't the EDD published this statement anywhere? I have no idea, but you guys, I wanted to relay it to you so that you are no longer hearing what Ginny is guessing that you should do or what fellow subscribers are suggesting you do. Now, they sent over 2 different scenarios to her. Pandemic Emergency Unemployment Compensation, PEUC, and PUA claims with remaining balances on 12/26/20. Since Congress and the President took action to reauthorize these federal benefits, the EDD is quickly opening PEUC and PUA claims for those that had a balance in their claims as of December 26, 2020. These individuals who are waiting for their PEUC extension or PUA weeks to be made available starting December 27th do not need to reopen their claims. The EDD is working diligently through these claims to automatically make these weeks available and will notify your constituents when they have weeks available to certify. They gave you a reopen button, and here they are stating that you are not to click it. However, they aren't telling you. They aren't sending this clearly written statement to your UI Online. They aren't posting it on their website. They aren't issuing it in a press release yet. It could be issued later today. But it's right here, and they aren't telling you guys this. So if you're seeing that button, you can call in still and they'll clear it right away. But we now know that you do not have to sit waiting hours on the phone. As long as you're okay with waiting for them to clear it, it will get cleared. But the problem is that we don't know how long it will take. So what I have been saying in my videos still remains true. If you need your benefits and you need this fixed urgently, you can call in and customer service will clear this for you. However, if you wait, it will repair itself. Now, for those of you with PUA claims with disqualifications, there is a second scenario for some individuals who have a disqualification on their PUA claim, but have an option to reopen their claim through their UI Online account. Since these claimants are not currently eligible, they should not be able to reopen and certify for benefits. Our IT branch is currently working on a fix so that these individuals do not have the option to reopen their claims, as they are currently disqualified. However, it is important to note that despite this temporary glitch, these individuals have not been paid benefits. Once again, they say it's a glitch, they say don't click it, but they're not addressing it to their claimants. They're stating this to one assembly member and that's all, but this is straight from the EDD. Okay, guys, brief update for you, but important for you to hear that information coming straight from the EDD. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys are doing. You guys, I want to let you know that my channel has had a lot of growth in the last week. I am still trying very hard to reply to as many comments a day as I possibly can. And I truly appreciate all of those of you who are new subscribers, long-term subscribers, and I always appreciate your likes, subscribes, shares, and comments.